In this video, we'll see how to set the login page as the home page of a project. So the first thing you would like to do, for example, if you wanted your login page to be your home page, is just setting up the login page as the home page, as I've done here. So you see in any page, you can make the specific page the home page. The thing is, if you still want to use the path, so like /login to share to your user, it won't work. For example, here my path for my login page is /login, and if I click on it, it doesn't work. Why? Because on WeWeb apps, you see here it's working on WeWeb apps, the path is not taken into account for the home page. So the home page is always on / only after the domain name. So if you were to still use the login path, what you could do is have a dummy homepage, which with nothing on it, for example, and then you could set up a workflow on this page where you'll change the page to the login page. And if you do this, so do not open in a new tab, no need for queries or loaders. And if you do this, every time a user will land on your homepage, he or she will be redirected to the login page. And the last thing we have to do is make this homepage the homepage of our project. And that would be the best practice. Also, it's best because you still like separate the concern between login and homepage. So in the future, if you still want a different homepage, you already have it. You just have to customize it.